Hi guys, today we are going to make a scenery. Let's make the tree. Now the clouds. And now we are going to make the flowers of the tree. Now let's color the clouds. First, second, and third. Now let's make the grass. Now let's color the tree. Now let's paint the grass. Green. Now we are going to make the flowers, and the yellow is the between. Now the queen. The rest are armies. Now the first one is red. R-E-D, red. The second one is also red. The third one is orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. The spelling is orange. Now you have to guess the rest of the colors. Now the queen is going to be rainbow. Now we are going to make the stem. This is a Japanese scenery. Now we are going to make the leaves. Now for the queen we are going to make 2 leaves. Now we are going to make birds. Bye guys.